Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to allow display over other apps on Android. How do you actually fix the screen overly detected problem? So, to fix this, go to your settings on your phone, okay? And then I want you to scroll down until you see app management or app list depending on your device, okay? So, you come here to apps and then you scroll down until you see right here under permissions, you'll see display over other apps. So it depends on your device. Sometimes you'll see special app access, go there, or special permissions. Sometimes it's located right here. And in our case, in this device, it's located here, display over other apps. It's a whole different option. So you click here and you find the app that you want to grant permission to. And you just toggle the switch on. So as you can see, these ones right here, I've already toggled the switch on. For example, floating timer, this one needs to be displayed over the app, right? Because it's a floating timer. So if it's off, for example, let's say this one is off, A to Z screen recorder, you just toggle it on. And that's it. Okay? Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.